Last time on Viology.
Welcome to Viology. Hi guys, well, the spring and summer is almost over and it's almost fall, but it was a tablescape that I had sitting for some time, and it happened to be one of my favorite colors. Well, really both of my favorite colors, and it is green and white. And of course, you know my other color is pink. But guys, you know Magnolia season is here and almost gone, especially the bloom itself. The leaves are always here, but it is the pretty beautiful magnolia. So guys, I have decided to edit this video, get it out to you because I think my tablescape is kind of cute. So guys, I'm gonna bring you into this tablescape, and this is Magnolia, and I'm gonna call it Magnolias of the South. So if you would like to see this tablescape, stay tuned.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me.
Did you know there are 210 flowering plant species of the magnolia? And the magnolia originally came and was buried in the South.
You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. And I would never hear. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. Control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your face. it's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. And I would never hear. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty.
I just want to cut in for a short second to let you know my next monthly giveaway is August the 4th. So check the description below for all information.
You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. Control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't change, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your face. Baby, it's